We'll see now how to use the quick access toolbar in Excel. This option is available just above the menu. Generally we ignore it. The default options in the quick access toolbar are save, undo and redo. We are more familiar with the keyboard shortcuts to save, undo or redo. That is, we use Ctrl S to save, Ctrl Z to undo and Ctrl Y for redo. As we are more familiar with these keyboard shortcuts, we don't need these commands in the quick access toolbar. Now we'll slowly understand how to optimally utilize our quick access toolbar. Let us first remove these commands from quick access toolbar. If we apply right click on those commands, we will get the option to remove from quick access toolbar. Let us now remove all these three items from the quick access toolbar. Right click on the save button, select remove from quick access toolbar. Similarly, remove even the undo button. Right click, select the remove from quick access toolbar option. Also remove the redo button. Now there are no commands on the quick access toolbar. What is the shortcut key to apply all borders in Excel? It is Alt H B A. We'll see how to use this one. If we press Alt, it will show all the keyboard shortcuts to access the menu. As all borders is available in the Home tab, we have to press H. It will now display the keyboard shortcuts to access the commands in the Home tab. For all borders, we need to press B. There is a drop-down list at this command. It means that there are some more options for borders. If we press B, those options and the related shortcut keys will be displayed. We can select from them. For all borders, we will select A. So the shortcut for applying all borders is Alt H B A. Similarly, shortcut key for clear all is Alt H E A. Shortcut key for applying advanced filter is Alt A Q. There are many such shortcut keys in Excel. For fast access, we have to remember them. But it is difficult. For this reason, we will customize our quick access toolbar. We can customize it by simply adding or removing the required commands from it. We'll select a command. For example, here I took clear all command from the ribbon. Right click on it and select the option add to quick access toolbar. Similarly, we will right click to add another command merge and center to the quick access toolbar. Also add all borders to the quick access toolbar. Now we can find these options in our quick access toolbar. As and when we add more commands, we can see those options here. We'll add one more command, advanced filter. Right click on the option, add it to quick access toolbar. Yes, it got added. Now press Alt key. We'll get the shortcut keys now. Alt 1, Alt 2, Alt 3 and Alt 4. Now Alt 1 is clear all. Alt 2 is merge and center. Alt 3 is all borders. Alt 4 is advanced filter. Now instead of using Alt H E A for clear all, now we can simply press Alt 1. For merge and center, instead of pressing Alt H M C, it is Alt 2 now. Alt 3 is for all borders. Alt 4 is for advanced filter. Isn't this easy? We can now quickly access our required commands. Customizing the quick access toolbar is to simply add or remove the required commands from it. Once customized, we can quickly access the commands. So the quick access toolbar. Thank you.